woke up to my dream. Hello everyone, welcome. I just flew into Los Angeles. We're in the hotel right now. I'm fucking tired and sick, but I was trying to order something, but room service is too fucking expensive. So I've come up with this very simple hack to make a grilled cheese sandwich using what you can find in a hotel. It's a simple food. All you need is, in the morning when you go to the hotel breakfast buffet, just grab a little extra stuff back to your hotel room so you can have a midnight snack when you get a munchie after, you know what I'm saying. So here you have bread or toast, whatever. I took two different kind of cheese. I'm not sure what they are, but they're cheese, so cheese would be good. And it looks from room service, but it's not, but maybe it is. Pepper and butter. You spread the butter evenly on one side of each toast, and then you put the side that has butter outwards, like facing down and facing up. In the middle you just put cheese. You can sprinkle some Parmesan. I'm not sure what's gonna happen to this powder, but we'll see. And a little pepper, maybe too much. Hey, they're all here, so if you don't want pepper, you eat this side. And so once this side looks a bit charred, looks nice, and it's kind of has like a hardened shell feeling, you flip it, you eat the other side. Boy! Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, it's nice, golden and crispy. You cut it. Oh yeah. This must be the side without the peppers. When you find room service too fucking expensive, and you decide to service your own in your room, make your own room service, within 10 minutes you can have this. So good, so cheap. Only money you're spending is on aluminum foil, which you could also ask from the front desk. Bye. 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 Bye.